Hi, my name is Scott Anderson, and this is an extended review. It's an unboxing. First, I kind of wanted to show you. This is the keyboard stand I printed. So it's very simple, very easy to use. Keyboard fits right in there, literally. So let me grab the keyboard that this one was made for. And you can see the keyboard goes right there. Now, I lean it against something else because it's not heavy enough at that point to solve the problem. But I do use the keyboard stand, as you can see right there on the floor. Whoop, pull it around. I also use it, it's a great holder, but it allows me to stack the keyboard very quickly. So today, more focused on an unboxing, and I am really excited about this. So this product, let's make sure there's no tape edges. You know how they like to do tape edges now. I think that's the, let's be like Apple. All right, so you can see as I unbox, this is called the UT2. What is the UT2? Well, let's talk a little bit about that. Let's come back out so you can see. There is the logo, UT2. It says, expand your data universe. And of course, it is the Unified Drive. So there we open it. You can see you got a nice owner's manual. Got a nice thing. And here is the Unified Drive. Now, why does this plastic drive excite me? Well, it's not plastic. Well, it's molded plastic, right? Predominantly, this is and by the way, congratulations. If you looked, you saw my email with all the various things that occur. I hate plastic bags like this. Not as easy. Whoops. So this, wow. So I'm working on no shaky cam. I'm really doing well. It's probably the shakiest cam I've done. This is a great portable drive. Now the drive itself, once it's powered on, has a bunch of cool things that it does. First, you can see there's the logo, and there's the traditional plug-ins. So it actually has an HDMI port, it has a USB port, it has an Ethernet port, there's the power button, and then on this side it has an SD, a USB, and USB-C, and a micro SD reader. This is a 16 terabyte SSD drive that is Wi-Fi connected. So it is literally a portable NAS. And as you can see from the size of it, it's not very big. It's very light. And obviously it's built and designed with the concept of being able to share data quickly and easily on the run. Price is not bad. You're looking under $400 for a 16 terabyte drive, which is always good. But it's ruggedized and portable. And obviously it includes the SD card reader, which is very cool. It includes USB connectivity, so you can literally connect this directly via USB to your computer and copy the files quickly. I don't know about you, but I have about 7.5, 8 terabytes of data that I'll be moving. It's got an Ethernet port, so you can plug it into your network, so it can become a network attached storage. And then the cool thing, of course, I already mentioned it, but it has a USB or HDMI out, allows you to literally use it as a movie player, so you can copy things and take them with you. So this is a portable network attached storage or NAS device. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, and I'll just give a shout out to the company, because not only do they send you the drive, but they send you, obviously a wise person would pre-open this for the video, thereby making it not as shaky, but you know, why would I do that? So it's got a ruggedized external case, which is very nice, orange of course, and they send you a travel power adapter, universal travel power adapter, which I think is really cool. Plus it gives you a nice storage case to carry the drive wherever you go. Overall, an incredibly cool product. My review, or extended review, of Unified Drive. This is the intro. I'll do a deeper dive later.